Today I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban. First, you have to download Snapchat. And now you're going to Settings and search for VPN. Then click here on VPN and make sure that your VPN is disabled. Once you've done that, you have to go to Google and search for Snapchat support. Open the first website and tap on My account is compromised. Then here choose I can't access my account, and in the second menu select I think my account was compromised. And from the bottom section select my account is locked. Then in this paragraph click on account site. Then you will be asked to sign into your Snapchat account. Once you've signed in, you will be able to select the Unlock My Account feature. Since my account has been unlocked, this option is not being displayed, but in your case it will be in this menu. And that's how you can fix Snapchat device ban.